Hi everyone, here we've got VERNEE M5 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply open the recents, and you can do it by tapping on the square icon right here. So let's do it. As you can see here, we've got the full list of previously opened apps, and in order to close only one of it, simply find it and tap on this X button right here, or swipe it to the right or to the left. So as you can see, we can easily remove it. But if you'd like to close all of them with only one click, just tap on clear all right here. As you can see, we just got back to our home page. So let's open the recents again. And here we've got no recent items. So it means that we successfully removed all of them. So actually that's all. This is how to close running apps in your VERNEE M5. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.